Fanttik Slim V8 Apex. Unboxing, check it out. Suction is 19 kPa. It's got air watts of 45 AW. The dust cup capacity is 120 milliliters. All right, so all the components are really tightly packed in here. I'm just gonna set everything here on this chair. You do get a user manual. Really small spout there. Little nozzle to get into even smaller cracks and crevices. Got some other small attachments here. Even got a little brush head right there. It's the main head for carpet cleaning. This is the main meat and potatoes here. So you do get a really cool fabric carrying case. And this right here has got to be the vacuum. And there is your Fanttik vacuum in all its glory. Very slim, sleek. Low mode, high mode, power off, yellow clip. Push this spring-loaded clip, this pops open, and you dump everything out nice and easy. Got a little lock and unlock icon right there. Just go and line it up and then twist to lock it in place, and you're all set. Alright, so it does look like it includes a second HEPA filter. Alright, so we've got another small attachment with a brush end. Again, there is no charging block included in this kit, but I'll link a fast charger in the description below. Check that out for sure. So here's another attachment that also does have those rubber tips. Again, for hair, dog hair. That's what those two look like. There's one gray and one black, but they look identical other than that. The gray one does feel a little bit stickier, so I think this might be a little bit more effective on dog hair. So we've got a kind of short but wide attachment. Perfect for vacuuming, nice and quick. That's awesome. All right, so I did pick up a new charger specifically for this vacuum, but I also wanted a multi-port charger, so that's why I picked this one up. I really like this one because it has dual USB-C ports and then a single USB-A port. So I'll be able to charge this at full speed and efficiently as possible. And I can also use this to charge my iPhone and my iPad as well. All right, the included USB-C to USB-A cable. Again, this can go right here, charge just like that. And then the other USB-C end goes right here at the top of the vacuum, just like that. So let's go ahead and plug this into the wall. I'm gonna go ahead and get a full charge, and then I'll do a quick little demo of me vacuuming my car. All right, so I've got the vacuum plugged in with the USB-C cable. This is the included cable. Just gonna go set this down right here on the floor. And then I've got the other end connected to this Gearit USB-C charger with the USB-A port. As you can see, I've actually got this top plug taken care of. I'm gonna go and use the bottom one, and that's the beauty of this too. The folding prongs, you just undo it like that, and you can still have something else plugged in while this is plugged in as well. So that's really cool. What's up, guys? Here is the portable Fanttik car vacuum cleaner. So let's go ahead and see what this baby can do in this Tesla Model Y. So I've got the vacuum fully charged up. I've got a bag of accessories. If you look in here, you can see some dust. Let's go ahead and use this little hose attachment and see what we can do with this. All right, so it's simple as connecting it to the vacuum itself, and you've got your hose attachment just like that. So we've got the power button right here. Push it once, it starts right up. Got a whole bunch of attachments here. So this actually has a little brush to it. Now let's go ahead and use that for inside this charger. There's some specks of dust, and then also on this top plate here. All right, so again, we got the vacuum here, got the attachment, and it pops on just like that. And let's just go ahead and kind of scrub around here. These soft bristles are gonna make sure that you don't scratch your finish of your car, so your interior stays nice and new. So check out this wireless charger area. We've got some dust here. Boom. Nice nice and clean. Very gentle on that suede surface. A little bit right here. Good to go. This. Beautiful. A lot right here. You can see that. Check this out. Gone. Just like that. Very nice. All right, so let's go ahead and go down here on this floor mat here. This is an all-weather floor mat, but you can see there is quite a lot of dirt and debris here. Again, let's go ahead and use high mode on the vacuum. All this out of here. Alright you guys, so that was the Fanttik portable USB charging car vacuum cleaner. Check out my affiliate links in the description below. And besides that, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. And check out how easy this is to empty.